Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy JTAG. First, let's get acquainted with the Easy JTAG box itself. It typically includes the main unit, a USB cable, and various adapters. Connect the main box to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, install the required drivers and the Easy JTAG software from the official source. Finally, ensure your target device is ready for connection, often requiring specific test points or a JTAG header. Once your hardware is set up, launch the Easy JTAG software. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting key sections like device selection and operation modes. A crucial first step is to perform a device identification. This confirms a successful connection and displays vital information about your target. You can then proceed to read or write basic data, such as device model or firmware version, with just a few clicks. Easy JTAG offers powerful advanced features for more complex tasks. You can manage device partitions, perform eMMC operations, and flash new firmware onto your device. It's also invaluable for data recovery, helping retrieve lost information from damaged devices. Boot repair functions can revive devices stuck in a boot loop. Always remember to back up your device's data before attempting any major operations to ensure data safety. To ensure successful operations, always follow best practices. Use only high-quality cables and adapters to maintain stable connections. A consistent and stable power supply for both your computer and the target device is absolutely critical. When connecting, always refer to the official documentation for precise device pinouts. If you encounter issues, check your connections, reinstall drivers, or consult the Easy JTAG community forums for common troubleshooting tips and solutions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.